Laser welding has to be one of the coolest and most satisfying forms of welding. Would you like to go here? This is Dyrhólaey, a stunning headland on Iceland's south coast where green fields, a yellow river, a black sand beach, and the blue sea meet. This demolition site uses water to reduce the dust from blowing up the building. Yet another near collision at Chicago Midway raises alarms over air safety when this pilot had to make a last-second decision to avoid the jet. These construction workers look way too chill for what they are doing.